Good morning and Assalamu alaikum to the students of level 5. This is me, your English language teacher, Miss Sobia from Falcon House Grammar School Campus 9. Welcome back to e-learning, the students of level 5. Today the topic of our English language class is modal verbs. Now what are modal verbs? Modal verbs are the auxiliary verbs that is also called helping verb. For example, can, will, am, were, was, these are all called helping verbs that help us to make the sentences and to complete the sentences. Whereas in the purple one, these are the modal verbs which shows obligation, permission, ability. For example, can. I can write Urdu. It shows ability, whereas could, possibility, must, obligation, have to is also obligation, should, obligation, would, possibility, will, possibility. That is all called modal verbs. And in the green, if we will add not, it will also a modal verb. For example, I cannot do that thing, couldn't, must not, don't have to, should not, would not, will not. These are the also the part of the modal verbs if we will use not. Now, this is the given worksheet of the modal verbs, and here are the several modal verbs given: can, may, must, should, could, not, ought to, might, will. According to the choice of the sentence, you have to choose any one modal verb and you have to insert that in the blank. Number 1, you dash tell me the truth for your own good. I find my shoes anywhere. We arrive on time or else we will be in trouble. He dash shoot the basketball at the rim. Dash you let me know the time. They not be trustworthy enough. Dash you please pass the salt. We dash prepare for the big exam. You have to insert any one modal verb in each of the following blank. Here are 8 modal verbs and the 8 blanks given. You have to use one modal verb once in each blank. This is your assignment for today. I hope that you will do this exercise. Best of luck to the students of level 5. Thank you.